Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate stories. This will help businesses and creators send their offers directly into DMs when someone reacts to their story. To do this, you first need to create an account. Make sure your Instagram account is connected. Next, go to Flows, and let's create a flow. To ensure this works, Meta has a requirement. You can only send a message and add button. That's it. No quick reply or any other feature is allowed because that's the requirement to send automation to DMs. Thank you for showing interest in our tutorial. Alright, you can add your message here however you like. Create a button option and label it Get It Now. You can send another message once they tap this button, or you can send directly to a website. You can select the website, whether it's your funnel, appointment link, YouTube tutorial, or any other website. Alright, so whenever someone sends a specific keyword, this flow will be shared automatically. But let's make it a bit more advanced by adding an automatic follow-up feature. First, you need to create a tag called Website Visited. Alright, you can create your own tag for that. To set it up, you'll need to follow up after a certain period of time, maybe 10 minutes, half an hour, or even a day. For this, use the Wait option. For now, we'll set it to 10 seconds just as a demo, but you can adjust it to your preference. After that, we'll need to add a condition. The reason we use a condition is to identify user actions in this flow. If the person has tapped or clicked on the button, we'll send a thank you message. If the person hasn't clicked the button, we'll follow up with a motivating message encouraging them to try again. To do this, click on the option and add a message saying, "Thank you for checking out our YouTube tutorial. If you need any assistance, please let us know." You can also create another button option, connect it to another flow, or even add a coupon code, whatever works best for your goal. Thank you for checking out our YouTube tutorial. And we will send this as a message. Did you know customers are more likely to buy from businesses that respond on time? Let's create your story automation where you can close more deals. Okay, so this is a message you can edit however you want to. You can say, "Get started now." Alright, for the open website action, we'll paste the link, and that's it. That completes the flow for story automation. You can edit it however you like, so let's go ahead and publish it. Oh wait, I haven't added the tag, the main thing. So we need to, obviously, the condition. We need to identify what condition it needs to check. Obviously, it needs to check the condition, which is a tag is website visited. That's the tag, right? Let's check, get it now, website visited. Alright? That's the tag. It needs to check if this tag has been used or not, right? Now, let's publish it. Let's rename it so it's easier to remember. Something like Test 1, 2, 3. To connect this flow, you need to go to Tools, Instagram Story Automation, and name the workflow. Test. And you can select for all stories, or you can select for specific stories. It's better to use all stories because this option helps it easier anyway. We named it Test 1, 2, 3. Add. We will add a keyword, as in test itself, enter. So whenever the person enter this keyword, this automation will be triggered. Alright, now let me show you how it's working on the phone. Now we have the screen here. Click on the story. Let's send the message. Alright, now we should get the response. Let me just refresh. Yeah, we already got the response here. So as you can see, we have triggered the automation, and obviously we set it. We set the option where if the person hasn't clicked on the button, we're going to send a different flow, so obviously we set it to 10 seconds. You can set it however you want to. So as you can see, this is how you can send story automation offers to all the leads who interact with your stories. Thank you for watching.